Good morning, my dear kids. Today we are going to start lesson number 5, that is birds, nest and eggs. Have you ever seen a bird's nest? Where it was built? With what it was made? Did it have any legs or baby birds in it? Why do you think birds build nest? Birds are having different kinds of nest. Different birds are making different kinds of nest. Why they choose to make the nest? Birds choose a place for their nest carefully so that they could make their nest in there and they can live nicely there. Birds lay eggs in the nest. The nest has to be safe for the eggs to hatch and for the baby birds to grow in. Nests are built mostly on trees, buildings or other high places. But some nests are built on low bushes or even on the ground. Different kind of birds are making different kind of nests. So my kids, in our next class we will see how different birds are making different kinds of nests. Till then you please take care. Thank you.